This owl is sitting down at the big fir tree off the side of the hill, sitting on a branch where it's wide open and it can see all around for little bitty rodents or snakes. And it keeps looking out toward the street, then down below, and it'll look off to its right where there's really nothing. Maybe a weasel or something, but those things move too fast for the owls. This owl is, I would say, twice the size of a crow. Maybe 2 to 3 times its weight. I don't know, it's got a pretty big body. Huge wingspan. I saw it fly over to another perch and then come over here. And it just, hey, look over here. It was just so cool to see those great big fat wings carry it quietly from one branch to another. There you are, looking around. You see me over here? Hello? Hey. It won't look. Oh well. Must be hungry. Hey, come on, branches. Get out the way. Wind's blowing it around too. Boy, that's a beautiful head, huh? I was just taking a snapshot, that's why the camera was wiggling. Oh, look at that face. Wow. I wonder how old it is. Beautiful bird, though. Now it's pretty hard to see, huh? Blends right in. Oh, you can see the tripod. Whoops. You can see my tripod in the reflection in the window. And my hand. Hello. Okay, zooming back in. There it is. Cheap little tripod. It works, but poorly. Okay, like any fisher person, it'll probably just stay here for a few minutes, checking it out, seeing if there's any activity, and moving on. Throw your line in new waters if you're not getting any hits here. And I don't think there's very many mice or anything down there in that area of the hillside where it's perched. There's plenty of cover for little rodents, but yeah, I don't think there's much out there. Maybe I should play the Who's song, Who Are You, in the background. Who, who. Maybe not. This is Friday, August, the end of it somewhere. Being retired, I just don't have to care about dates as much as I used to. Oh, wait. Let me look at my... Oh, August 26th. That's what my watch says. Oh, sleepy little feller, huh? Oh, look at that. Catching a little shut-eye. Snoozing and going hungry. Huh? What you talking about? I ain't missed any meals. So, he's just hanging out for a bit of a rest. The wind stopped blowing. You can see those green leaves on the right are barely moving. So I guess it is just parked for a while here. Oh, tiny little gust and it pops its eyes open again. Yeah, here we go again. Sees movement, looks around. It's a beautiful bird. Yeah, and the branch is bouncing a little. That's a branch of a dogwood tree that it's sitting on. The dogwood tree is about 8 feet off to the right of it. I would guess that dogwood branch is about an inch and a half around. Oops. Oh dang, there goes my positioning. Yeah, I guess that's about an inch and a half diameter. So anybody good at figuring scale could do that from this. Oh, you saw me moving my fingers on the zoom. Look at the little changes in color on those feathers when it spins its head around. Wow. That is so cool. Come on. Oh, and we've had a dry couple of weeks. No rain. Well, no measurable rain, so you can see some of the leaves are stressed and dry because of that on that dogwood tree. I've got a California redwood tree here that's suffering a lot of brown dieback as well.